This year, concerns are rising that the festive spirit may leave a bitter taste, with sugar prices soaring to record highs. The sweetness of celebrations is already coming at a higher price. Sugar prices have climbed by up to 20 rupees per kg in less than a fortnight and are touching 65 to 70 rupees in some parts of the country. And just as festive demand is set to pick up with Raksha Bandhan, traders fear prices could rise further.
दुकानदारों को काफी परेशानी का कारण हो रहा है, क्योंकि जब लोग रेट पूछते हैं तो वो कहता है कि तुम बहुत महंगी लगा रहे हो, तो वो दूसरी दुकान पे जाता है, लेकिन घूम फिर के फिर उसको पता चल जाता है कि चीनी के रेट जहां पे भी मिल रहे हैं ठीक रेट मिल रहे हैं, लेकिन लागत बढ़ने से दुकानदार काफी ज्यादा परेशान है कि जो सामान उनका 1 लाख में आ जाता था अब 1.25 लाख में आता है।
काफी फर्क पड़ रहा है, क्योंकि अब देखिए चीनी जो 15-20 दिन पहले तक 45 रुपए किलो बिक रही थी, वो 61-62 रुपए हो गई है। तो उससे लगभग 15-20% जो बढ़ी है चीनी में रेट, या बट उससे हम मिठाई के रेट तो नहीं बढ़ा पा रहे ना, जिससे प्रॉफिट हमारा ही कम हो रहा है। मिठाई के रेट एकदम से नहीं बढ़ा सकते ना, त्योहार आ रहा है, त्योहार रक्षाबंधन आ रहा है अब आगे, तो रक्षाबंधन से एकदम पहले आप रेट बढ़ा देंगे तो उससे कस्टमर बेस भी तो आपका बिगड़ता है।
Small vendors are also feeling the pinch, saying that keeping prices unchanged is becoming increasingly difficult as the cost of essentials rises.
चीनी के रेट तो बढ़ी रहे सर जी, बहुत बुरा हाल है। महंगाई में तो इतना बुरा हाल है कि क्या क्या महंगाई बताएं आपको। जहाँ भी जाए बस सोचते हैं कुछ कि सामान आ जाएगा, आधा सामान आता आधा नहीं आता है। रेट बढ़ते 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 वहां पहुंच गए जहाँ इंसान सोच भी नहीं सकता। अब बताइए, चाय हमारी वही 10 की बिक रही है, ग्राहक से मांगते 15 रुपए। भाई कहाँ इतनी महंगी हो रही है भाई। मैंने कहा चीनी देखो आप कहाँ कहाँ पहुंच गई है।
The government on Friday rejected claims that diversion of sugar for ethanol production was driving the surge and instead blamed the industry for raising prices despite the country having sufficient stocks to meet domestic demand.
The ex-mill prices for no reason have shot up from a level of around 47, 48 to a level of 62 in just about 7 to 10 days. And there is no reason why they have actually jacked up the prices. Stakeholders are trying to create the impression that the sugar prices have gone up only because of ethanol diversion, which is again completely baseless. We were aware that the sugar production this year, when we were let's say made to know that the sugar production may be little less, so we have given lesser diversion for ethanol compared to what we used to do in 22-23.
The government also said sugar production has fallen to 306 lakh tons for the 2025-26 marketing year, down from an earlier estimate of 343 lakh tons, mainly due to pests and disease in sugarcane crops and waterlogging caused by excessive rainfall. The sugar marketing year runs from October to September. Experts point out that while domestic demand is around 290 lakh tons and production has fallen, India is still producing more sugar than it consumes. However, they add that prices could rise further, driven by festive demand.
The production of sugarcane decreased in last couple of months due to some disease on the sugarcane, and also there is some flood area in the sugarcane production area, so that will impact on the production of the sugarcane, and due to this we can see a lower production of sugar in India. However, the demand of sugar in India is almost 280 to 290 lakh per ton, but in spite of that India is producing almost 320 to 340 lakh per ton. But this time India produced almost 306 lakh per ton sugar. That will impact the demand and the price of the sugar. The upcoming festival season, we can see some more appreciation in the sugar prices.
Consumers, meanwhile, say the continuing rise in essential food prices is putting increasing pressure on household budgets.
चीनी कहाँ पहुँच गई है, छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, क्या खाएंगे क्या पिएंगे। चाले चीनी 35 रुपए थी, आज 65 रुपए है। पहले 40 हुई, 48 हुई, 42 हुई, 55 हुई, 58 हुई, 60 हुई। आटा कहाँ पहुँच गया है जी, हर आदमी की कमर टूटी हुई है, गरीब से गरीब आदमी अपने बच्चों को पढ़ा सकता है, अपने पेट करे या बच्चों को पढ़ाए।
The government has announced that it will allow imports of 10 lakh tons of sugar by October 31st. Stock holding limits for dealers and bulk consumers, such as soft drink and ice cream manufacturers, will also be tightened to ensure more sugar is available in the open market. With the festive season around the corner, demand for sugar and sweets is expected to rise further. For now, consumers are facing a bitter start to what is traditionally the sweetest time of the year.